Hello everyone. I thought this would be a nice spot to stop and to sport off Kaylee's new outfit. And so we're here along a trail with a gorgeous stream that is flowing. Absolutely beautiful. So we're on a bridge right now that goes over the stream. And this trail goes all along the stream, so it's an absolutely beautiful walk. And so I thought this is a nice spot to take a break and show you Kaylee's outfit. So she has on the new outfit that I bought her. Doesn't she look absolutely adorable in it? I just love it. And then she has her diaper, her nappy that has the little flowers on it and the dots, and I thought it matched perfectly the dots that's on her little bow that she has on there. And she has on her cute little shoes that has the flowers on it, and she has her cute little lovey that has 4 different toys on each corner. The chewy one, the little rattle, the triangle, and texture. So it's absolutely adorable. So she's playing with that, and she's really enjoying the walk today. And I just love her in this pretty little outfit. And she has her cute headband in her hair. So absolutely cute. So we've walked a little further down, and along this trail there are lots of bridges to cross over, and they go in different directions. This one will take you on a path that goes through the trees over there, and this one that we're on takes you on paved trails. So because I have the stroller, we will be staying on the paved trail today. But there are, I don't know, 30 or 40 bridges that goes over this stream, and it goes for miles and miles and miles, so you can walk forever along this stream. So it's a beautiful walk. And so now we're walking under a major freeway. Hi sweetheart, how are you? Are you enjoying your walk, honey? Yes, it's so beautiful, isn't it? And so what's really nice about this trail is the bike trail is separate from the walking trail. So we don't have to worry about any bikers on this trail. So their biking trail is over there. And the walking trail is on the other side. So very nice. Well, everyone, looks like we've got a live one here. The growth of a sign. So this sign has a knitted stem with leaves on it. So that's something that you don't see every day. Enjoy. So now we are going to take a boardwalk walk along the river, and so it's absolutely gorgeous down here. Just beautiful. Right, Kaylee? Isn't this absolutely adorable, honey? Excuse me. Oh, sorry. So just lovely down here. So we just had some light rain, but I always come prepared with the rain jacket that came with the stroller, and then I also have on my own rain jacket also that I always bring with me because you never know when rain is going to fall. So I wanted to show you some huge gorgeous trees along the trail also. And this one in particular, it's like 4 trees that have joined together, and they're absolutely massive, incredibly tall. So I just thought that they are so beautiful that I wanted to share that with you. And so the sun is coming out now, so I'm going to take off my rain jacket and take off the stroller rain jacket also and put that away. And we're heading back to the car. So thank you for walking with us today. Bye. And over here we have another tree. They're trying to hug each other. Very interesting. Absolutely love trees. It's like Kaylee is going to grow up to be a lover of trees also. Right, Kaylee? And so we're still along the stream, and another massive tree, and there's some trees right down the way there that's filled with vines. So we're still on our way back to the car. Then I'll give Kaylee a bottle and change her nappy.